Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I will be showing how to change Pinterest password. Firstly, you need to open your Pinterest app. Obviously, you have already been logged into your Pinterest. Simply click on your profile icon at the bottom of the screen. Now you have got an option at the top right corner. Tap on three dot icons. Then tap on settings. After that, it will bring you to this page. You need to tap on account management. It will bring you to all of your account management. As you can see under email, there is an option for your password. Tap on it. Now you can enter your new password and also need to confirm your new password. Once you finish entering your password, then tap on done. And this is how you change Pinterest password. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell of the channel so that you never miss an upcoming videos. Thank you.